First and foremost, one of the things that I want to tell you is that for me, this is a great privilege to be able to actually recommend these people. We've had trouble for a lot of years with a lot of leaves in our area. And when they come down and fill the gutters up, there's just no way to get things cleaned up. I've had friends come out here, especially the younger people who have volunteered to clean out our gutters. We have a pretty large house, so that's really a big job. And it's been very frustrating when we walk out of the front porch and the water is pouring down out of the gutters because they're filled with leaves. It's been such a problem. But we love our home and we're not about to leave it for the sake of gutters, for crying out loud. Now, what we did do was check out a lot of different businesses to do things that will actually prevent the gutters from filling up. Of all the places that I looked at, and I checked out about 4 or 5 vendors, LeafFilter seemed to be the best one. And what we did when they came out here, I talked with the guy. Talk about friendly. You would think the guy was my brother. I mean, literally, he was such a gentleman. He told me exactly what he was going to do and what his crew was going to do. He took me around the house. He showed me the spots where the gutters were weak, where there were some issues with them. He said what he's going to do is to make sure that they're all shored up, that they're completely repaired. And then once he did that and they fit everything and put the leaf filters on, they came back and checked. I mean, you can't ask for a better job. The price was very, very reasonable. In fact, I thought it was kind of a, you got to be kidding me price. But at any rate, it turned out really well. Now, we've had a lot of rain since then. We've had issues with leaves and all coming down. We've been through fall now. Not once did we get wet on our front porch. I mean, the gutters are not full. Everything has been absolutely great. I highly recommend these folks. Once again, I'm Bob. I'm here in Oklahoma City. When we do get rain, we get a lot of it. And if you've got trees in your yard the way that I do, you need something to make sure that you can keep your gutters clear. Unless, of course, you want to start a second job doing gutter clearing. There'll be a lot of that going on. But again, we couldn't be more happier.